Hi Mecca Beauty Junkies! Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so if you want to see how to do this lush, sultry date night look, stick around. So off camera, I've applied the new NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation to give me a full 16-hour wear coverage all day long, no matter what I'm doing. Alright guys, I just could not wait to get into this. So I'm going to put my lipstick on first. This is called Good Catch by Lipstick Queen, and it arrives just in time for Valentine's Day. I just love this colour. What could be better than this super cute pink? Next up, eyes. So this is 16 Brand's Brickit Choco Eyeshadow Palette. First, I'm going to use this pink in my crease. Next up, I use this warm brown to deepen up my crease colour. Back and forth, just diffusing the whole colour combination. Next, I'm going to take a MAC 217 and combine these two shades here for my eyelid. So I'm just patting this on and kind of flicking it upward so there's no harsh lines. Just taking a clean, fluffy brush to smooth out all the lines. Next, I'm going to take a 239 and take these two darker shimmery colours on the outer third of my eye. I'm going to use the same brush and just take it underneath my eye. You don't need to be too precise because we'll clean it up in a moment. So I'm going to go back in with my clean fluffy brush and just diffuse the lines. Next up, I'm going to use my all-time favourite mascara from Ciate Wonderwand. Nobody wants to see me put false lashes on, so I'm just going to scoot off and do it off camera. These are the M.A.C date night lashes that I prepared earlier. Next up, bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. Let's dig in. Don't forget your ears, ladies. I like to create a bit of a 3 shape down my face to really frame it, because looking warm and bronzed on a date night is never a bad idea. Guess what time it is? It's highlight time. For me? This ring box is ridiculous. Modelled off of Jared's 20th anniversary gift from Jeremy. It's a big diamond ring. So prismatic. Blue, pink, and gold reflex in there. Holy moly. Okay, cool. This is good. Just all over the high points and just a little above my brow bone. I'm just going to pat this all over my cupid's bow and the lip so they look extra kissable. So this is too good to not put on my eyes. Just going to take a little bit on a small eye brush right in the inner corner. And then again, right on the brow bone, that extra pop. This actually has real crushed diamond powder in it, which means that there's diamonds on my face. And for the final touch, blush. Right on the apples of the cheeks and then up like a Nike tick. Just gonna quickly zhuzh my hair. Gorge. All right, great. I'm all done, super psyched and ready for my date night. Thanks for watching Mecca Beauty Junkies. Make sure you leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in my next tutorial. Bye!